Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda.
Today we are making your breakfast healthy with a family-friendly, delicious cheese and turkey sausage quiche. Now, this quiche is brought to you in partnership with Undeniably Dairy. Did you know that when you buy from your local farms, you are making an investment in your community, our community? Hen House has a wonderful program that's called Buy Fresh, Buy Local that supports over 150 local farms.
Wow, that is incredible. I love that.
Me too.
This quiche combines two yummies, cheese and turkey sausage crumbles.
And you might want to consider adding some veggies into this, maybe some mushrooms, some spinach, carrots, broccoli, for an extra boost of vitamins.
Now, did you know that research has shown that foods that are high in calcium and vitamin D, such as dairy products, milk, cheese, as well, they help in strengthening bones,
Yes.
your teeth, and in the prevention of cavities.
And we all know that the calcium and protein that is in our cheese makes great for building those strong bones and muscles.
There's the gun show over there. Well, let's get started with our delicious quiche. So we've got our pie crust,
Yes.
and we'll put in our turkey sausage crumbles, half of the cheese, and we'll set that aside. Now we'll finish up our mixture with our eggs, milk, and seasonings, and we'll combine that well, so stir briskly. Pour that over your sausage and cheese, and the remaining cheese will go on top of this mixture. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll cook this at 325 for
About a good 45 to 60 minutes.
All right.
So we're looking for the eggs to set.
Exactly. And there you have it. Delicious turkey sausage and cheese quiche.
Wait a minute, Mom. We're missing something here. You know what will turn this up just one more healthy notch?
What would that be?
It would be probably adding a small serving of fruit, but a tall glass of milk.
I love it.
We need the milk. We need it. But quick thing, you know I always love to tell them, don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy and delicious breakfast ideas and recipes.
And when you do, please leave us a comment and let us know how you make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Market, as well as Undeniably Dairy and your local family farms.
BariGirls out.